All the smart people are gonna walk. What? We're not prancing enough? Are we gonna prance, guys? No, Damon. This is how we do it. That's how we do it. We're well out of range of them right now, so we're good. Caesar, you're taking charge. Wait for us. Don't leave us behind.
So I just want to know.
Why are you running like that?
I just want to know where exactly they got a helicopter husk.
You're under fire, Caesar.
Ah!
We're under fire. Oh my God. Do you want me to suppress for you, baby?
Yes, please.
Oh, go!
Joe, I will shoot you.
I'm moving. Don't shoot me, please. This is going to be one of the most cancerous videos I'll ever make. Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah, because I did it to Caesar already. Yeah, right? Yeah, he got under that real quick. Ah, damn it, I'm already hit.
Did he get you?
Yeah, he did. I blame you.
Thank you.
I blame you. I was your human shield. It's time to be a tryhard again. All right, this time I'm not gonna get hit. If you want to cover fire.
You're not dead. No, it doesn't.
I know it doesn't. Friendly fire does, but if you're gonna pull that, then no. So if you want to shoot at the tower and by the tree while I run across.
At the tower?
You know that little green tower right there?
It looks like they just got the guy that was over there.
All right, I'm crossing.
I'm shooting through that window right on your left, okay?
Oh, where are they at? At the tail, like normal.
See that? Right by the tail?
Yeah. I'm gonna move up.
Oh!
That scar looks so sexy. You'll look great on camera, buddy. Moving. I'll be inside.
Careful.
Yep. Tree's dead. Caesar, no! Why you do this?
Shoot low or high?
One of our friendlies is moving. Yeah, we got about 3 friendlies there.
I'm right behind you, shooting off to your left. Copy? Shooting off to your left. I'm on your right side now.
All right. Tail's still up, right?
Tail so high. Oh!
So we got several friendlies there.
Watch your left!
Yeah, I'm gonna go wide.
Okay, I'm gonna go straight through.
Okay, moving. Whoop. He's out. What about the back? Is there any in the back? None back here. I think we're good. I was looking through my scope and I accidentally hit your
I know. I thought
back ray. I was like, oh shit.
I heard it too.
I was looking through my scope. I was
Oh, good. You're gonna get that on film too.
Yeah, I know.
Well, I was trying to.
You had a safety, right?
No, he shot me.
Oh, point blank? Okay.
I ended up. Ooh, that hurt.
Well, you should have done this, Caesar.
Thank you.
Should have done this. Would have been something awesome.
Yeah.